So this is Alexa Therese B. Bihok from BSN3, and for today's video assignment, I'll be sharing my answers for the two given questions that is based on the scenario. So let's get started. So the first question is, how would you deal with the situation? So if I were the nurse on duty, I would first remain calm and approach the patient in a non-threatening and empathetic manner. I would ensure the safety of the client, his wife, the healthcare team, and everyone in the emergency department. I would bring the client to a quiet and a safe area. Stay with him and actively listen without judging or arguing. I would encourage him to express his thoughts and feelings while assessing whether he has a specific plan or means to harm his wife. At the same time, I would notify the physician and the mental health team immediately for further assessment and intervention. So moving on to the second question, which is, what will be your nursing actions and justifications? So my nursing actions would include performing a mental status assessment and suicide and violence risk assessment, maintaining a safe environment by removing any potentially harmful objects, to closely observing the client and using therapeutic communication to reduce his anxiety. I would document all findings accurately and collaborate with the healthcare team for immediate psychiatric evaluation and appropriate treatment. I choose these nursing actions because the client has expressed thoughts of harming another person, which makes safety is the highest priority. Early assessment, continuous monitoring, therapeutic communication, and prompt collaboration with the healthcare team can help prevent harm and ensure that the client receives the appropriate care and support. So thank you, and that concludes my answers.